If you're a trans woman or a crossdresser and you're feeling overwhelmed by learning makeup as a beginner, then this is your video. You're trying to learn how to do your makeup, but you're put off by an ocean of videos to wade through. How are you supposed to know which ones are actually going to help you with your face? I get it. I spend a lot of time watching tutorials because it's part of my job. And believe me, I get overwhelmed too. And I'm a makeup artist. I can imagine how a beginner must feel. By the time you've watched a bunch of them, you're totally over it and you don't even feel like doing your makeup anymore. It totally takes the fun out of it. Wouldn't it be nice if you could collect all the videos you needed in order and all by the same teacher all in one place? Well, now you can do exactly that. I've been teaching makeup to trans women and crossdressers for 25 years, and I created a complete, huge A to Z makeup course just for male to female learners and their unique needs. Everything you could possibly need and imagine is in this course, starting with the very first steps like how to set up your makeup table, lighting, all of that stuff. Just check it out for yourself and you'll see how complete it is. No hype, no pushy sales pitch. Just look for the link in the description, and while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and help me build my channel. I would really appreciate it. You will learn how to do your makeup.